नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाएं। myself GVN Dr. Archana Verma, Assistant Professor in Department of Homeopathic Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University. Now in this lecture, continue the wards. In previous lecture, discuss the type of wards, and now in this lecture, discuss the treatment of wards. First, adhesive tape therapy. Treatment में first adhesive tape therapy. The place several layer of waterproof adhesive tape over the wards region, even duct tape. Do not remove the tape for 6-12 days, then taken off the tape and open the area to the air for 12 hours. The repeatedly tape for another 6 to 12 days. In this therapy, adhesive tape therapy is in this therapy place the several layer of waterproof adhesive tape on जहाँ पे वॉर्ड्स हो रहा है वहाँ पे अपन क्या करते हैं टेप अपन पेशेंट की टेप एडहेसिव करते हैं चिपका देते हैं वहाँ पे एंड उसको हर 24 आवर्स में अपन रिमूव करते हैं। ये प्रोसेस अपन 6 to 12 डेज के लिए रिपीट करते हैं। देन जब आफ्टर ये प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो जाता है तब अपन टेप फाइनली अपन रिमूव करते हैं तो उसी के साथ में वॉर्ड्स है वो चिपक के आ जाता है। इट्स वेरी लेस पेनफुल बट यूजफुल। द टेप वर्क बेस्ट इन द रीजन अराउंड द fingernails. Tape work because the airtight, moist environment under the tape does not allow the virus to grow and reproduce. Now, salicylic acid therapy. Salicylic acid is available by many different trend name of drug store. Dual fill, words of Dr. Scholl's, words medication, Mediplast. It comes either as a liquid to paint on the wards or as a plaster to be cut off and placed on the wards tissue. The area with the wart should be soaked in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes. The wart should then be pared down with a razor, and simple razor work fine for this. Then throw it away. Do not shave for fair enough to make the warts bleed. Apply the salicylic acid preparation to be warts tissue. Do not apply it to other skin because of salicylic acid is potential to injury normal tissue. Follow direction on the package for how long to apply the acid. Cryotherapy. In cryotherapy, liquid nitrogen or cryotherapy is used to deep freeze the warts tissue. Freeze the wart tissue. With liquid nitrogen applied to the warts is cell expands, thus exploding the infected tissue. The exploded cell can no longer hidden the human papilloma virus from the body's immune system. The immune system then work to destroy the virus particles. Laser therapy. Laser are simply very intensive light sources. This lights has a enormous amount of energy that heat the tissue enough that it vaporize. Now prognosis. And the prognosis is bad and good in words. Most warts will be disappear within the treatment. Anywhere from the 6 months to 3 years. Warts may reoccur after treatment and require additional treatment. Now prevention. Avoiding touching warts on other or touching them on yourself. Refrain from rubbing a warty finger across your face. Children need to avoid beating on chewing warts. Wear shower shoes in the gym lockers room or lower risk of picking up the virus that causes plantar virus from the wear shower shoes in the gym lockers room in lower risk of picking up the virus that causes plantar warts from the moist environment. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will be resolve it. Thank you.